Hey everybody, this is Wayne Goen with Regal Plastics, Texas. I am our visionary and chief networking officer, and I'm here today to prove to you that anybody can tackle a lean process to make more things inefficient and save time. This was very, very simple. Our team created this really cool acrylic door, and they put this aluminum handle on here. At least one time a week, this handle, because the door gets open hundreds of times in a day, this handle is becoming loose all the time. It had an Allen wrench to tighten it. Every week I would come by here, and it kind of annoyed me. I don't think it annoyed everybody, but it annoyed me that this handle would get loose. So I would have to go to fabrication, get an Allen wrench, come back over here, tighten it, take the Allen wrench and put it back where it belonged. Well, I thought, hey, lean improvement. I can put an Allen wrench right here. Take it off, tighten it when it gets loose, be done. Saved me 780 minutes a year. Do the math. That's not a bad savings. Thanks for listening. Bye.